Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to check the battery percentage of any connected Android smartphone in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, you will need a USB data cable. Right now, as you can see, this USB data cable you will need. So now using this USB data cable, you need to connect your Android smartphone with your Windows computer, and after that just open the File Explorer application. And now you will see your device showing up on the File Explorer. So now just right mouse click on it, and now you will see here properties. Just click on it. Now you will see here the battery percentage, as you can see right now. So let us compare side by side. So now you can see on your computer, now you can see the Android smartphone home screen also. As you can see, it's showing 78%. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily check the battery percentage of any connected Android smartphone in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.